Hi, I'm Stephen Carroll, one of the owners at Fashionable Canes. We've been dedicated to creating, designing, and sourcing walking canes since 1999. When you think of carbon fiber, you think of high-performance cars and airplanes. It's famous for being incredibly lightweight and unbelievably strong. When you hold this cane to a normal walking cane, it's like holding a feather. It truly is night and day. If you want the lightest and strongest walking cane available, then this is it. Let me show you the details. Not all carbon fiber is the same. Let me show you our most beautiful and popular finish. This is our triple wound carbon fiber. Tiny threads of carbon are woven together in a way that creates this incredible 3D snake skin-like pattern. It has a real depth to it. You can see how it looks deep black from one angle, and then light catches the crisscross pattern from another. It's just gorgeous. Now, if you love that high-tech look but need a more budget-friendly option, we have carbon fiber models with a printed mesh pattern. It captures that classic aesthetic at a lower price point, while still giving you the same incredible lightweight strength. We also use this carbon fiber technology to create some truly iconic and unique designs. This is our famous Dr. House flame cane. This is the exact identical flame design that was used on the hit TV show House MD. It is a must-have for any fan and a guaranteed conversation starter. We also have this amazing metallic blue that actually shifts to a color purple in the light. It goes from blue to purple depending on the light angle. And we have a beautiful printed designs like this Lily of the Valley or this fun ladybug cane, all on lightweight carbon fiber shafts. If you travel, you absolutely need to see our 5-section folding carbon fiber cane. This cane folds into 5 sections, making it incredibly small. It's perfect for a purse, a glove box, or under a car seat. On all of the folding carbon fiber models, the connection joints are specially designed with a unique O-ring, so they slide together smoothly and perfectly and lock in place for a strong, secure feel. And the attention to detail on these canes goes all the way from the top to the bottom. You can see the glossy, perfect finish. Since the 3D triple wound pattern can't be wrapped around the handle, we've created these beautifully, perfectly matched printed handles, finished with a unique collar that has all these silver lines and patterns inside of it. Even the rubber tip is special. It's a non-marking rubber. Just like basketball shoes, it won't leave scuff or marks on the kitchen floor or any other indoor surface. We also offer ergonomic palm grip handles for a perfect custom fit for your left or right hand. Carbon fiber is lighter and stronger than titanium metal. It is the lightest, most advanced, most high-tech cane you can get. Stop carrying a cumbersome, heavy walking cane and experience the night and day difference. Explore our website to see the full collection, and thank you for watching.